Welcome back to the YouTube channel of Grap Coin. This is another ADAR update video. It looks that the Bitcoin market has started the new week positively. Nothing really exciting is occurring. AA is trying to break out above the trend line shown on the chart, but everything stays inside the previously established range. It might lead to, and I zoom in a little, if breakout goes well. It might at first force a test of the previous swing highs. Let me to choose this rectangle. One might utilize this region as the first structural resistance area. It is roughly between 462 and 47.8 cents. As you may see, we may be able to lift it much if we stretch it to the left, but that is basically what resistance is all about. Should we surpass it, we would probably be attempting the upper green line, which functions as a kind of breakout line that, given that the market is still moving in what looks to be a range or Elliott wave triangle based on the white count. Since this is the swing high that developed in April and has to be broken to prefer a directly more bullish situation and perspective based on our Elliott wave structure at the time, everything that happens within these range boundary lines is generally useless to us. Degree acceptable, as range traders who understand how fantastic paradise is right now will primarily find it noise. It is, nevertheless, undoubtedly less thrilling from a trend perspective because these corrective phases frequently only correct the previous action in the chart. Here we are looking at the white count. This white count has a triangle pattern, which, as I said yesterday, the price has to make one more lower high in wave E before it breaks out to the downside. We've observed this response, so I told you about it and underlined that it's definitely something we should look into. This white counts break below the red line at 41.9 with 41 reinforce this. These previous swing lows and the little reversal we've seen in reaction to that support area down there maintain the triangle possibilities alive. Waves A, B, C, and maybe wave D are all here. It's called the micro count. The market turned just where the triangle count had indicated it would close to the prior lows. I noticed the triangle around 52.2 yesterday, but this does not always mean that the market is going through an E wave. It might just be an extended C. We know the triangle will extend and we might still be working on the SE wave if we break over the red resistance zone we set at the beginning, which makes this kind of negative breach at 41.9 cents noteworthy. I can now back more directly optimistic scenarios because of the break over the green line at 52.2 cents. Support is expected to be found between 36 and 38 cents if we hit another low. I would need to see 5 waves to roughly 64 and 2 cents to make the orange count a very plausible possibility. Otherwise, it would just be a diagonal pattern. Still, we might attempt another reversal from that area down there if we get an upside break. Say I need to witness 5 waves to 60 or about 65 cents to be sure we have reached the bottom. Less than that, particularly if the rally is limited to 3 waves, is not assured to succeed. It can always fail after 3. I believe that it is imperative to emphasize that there are some indications that we are in a bigger reversal zone right now. Indeed, it permits still another low. Still, I would rather not see more than one low, which is the 5th wave that happens there. This is the latest from me on ADA. Would you kindly comment and subscribe if you enjoyed it? Appreciate you watching GrapCoin. We should just head into that white target zone between 36 and 38 cents if there is one more low. The white count seems reasonable to me overall. I believe anything less will be too far gone to be corrected. Sayonara.